How to enable T-Mobile international data roaming. Now, first things first, it's going to be depending on what specific device you're using, specifically from T-Mobile. And you would also like to double check if international data roaming is included in your pack or the plan that you obtain or you subscribe from T-Mobile. Now, if you have all those requirements, then here's what you can do. First things first is, of course, open up your phone settings. Then once you're here, scroll down a bit and go to mobile networks. And then below other settings, choose on data roaming. And under settings, this is where you can enable international data roaming by choosing it as always and turn on. And that's it. That's how you enable T-Mobile international data roaming.